So this is the digital module for ETEC 510, and this is English as an additional language for adults, computer skills and life skills level 2. The intended demographic is new language learners, new immigrants to Canada, likely refugees, people coming from impoverished countries without a lot of either technical or even life skills like shopping. So that's what we targeted for. Flip over to the student view here. I'm going to keep this short and brief for interest's sake, and also to keep the file small. Now this part here, the splash page, is intended to be very approachable for students. A nice big help sign, and it shows them precisely where to go. Now I did flip over from the teach view, where you can see there is a lot more that's hidden from the student, but given a desire to not overwhelm them, we keep it simple here. So over to learning modules from the student view, and at this point they will have already done some preliminary activities on Vista, and we'll go into shopping at this point. There's some integrated activities here. They will have watched a video about shopping in class. This is for blended learning. They will make some flashcards, both in class and online, to take advantage of the additional opportunities for pronunciation through dictionary links and such online. Turning the page, this does link to the online book so that they can review it at their leisure if they need to, or if they choose to. There's speech control so they can have it read out loud to them, or it can be silent. This is for target reader, pretty straightforward. Multiple pages. Back to Vista. It also links to a video where it is demonstrated for them. I will not start this, but she walks them through the grocery store and basically shows them all of the different departments and talks about how we shop in Canada. This links to an online flashcard reader where they can also link to a dictionary. So here we have a picture of oranges. What's the answer? Oranges. Links to a dictionary. It gives them the pronunciation. Pardon me. Lots of Google images so that they can learn how to search for their own sake and build their own flashcards, and we can have them post and discuss online here, share their own flashcards and things that help my environment anyways. So they can post a little bit of feedback and post their own. There is a discussion rubric, which I'll show you in a moment. There's a document they'll read through. It teaches them healthy eating habits, so basic life skills. It is a large file, so it does take a moment to load. And then there's an additional one that's just slightly faster. And this one, BC's Food Mosaic, it covers a number of different cultures here, so Asian, Latin American, Chinese, First Nations foods, including backwards. And it lists them from the different categories. This is a guided reflection, so it scaffolds student writing. I'm just scanning down the side. You can see that there's many more activities. The whole idea, having them work online and also in the classroom face-to-face, so there's many opportunities for expressive language and also written language, and building the technology skills that will be an employability skill when it comes time shortly for them to go out and find work. The culminating activity, they have to plan a cultural party, and they actually have to plan food and go and shop, interact with people in the store. Moving over to the teaching, all of this information is available on one page. There are quizzes that are built into this for instant feedback for the students. All the discussions are visible on one page, but we thought that that would be overwhelming for students, and the reading forms multiple rubrics are built in there. Thanks so much for visiting.